how to make money with Yoonla Evolve. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to start making commissions with the new Yoonla Evolve platform. And if you stay to the very end of this video, I'm going to give you for free my done for you marketing system. Now, I've been working over the last couple days to set this system up so that you guys can go ahead and copy it. So if you want to copy my system for Yoonla, I'm going to walk you through how I'm getting signups and you can duplicate my results. All you got to do is click the link in the description below and set up your free account. Now, as you guys see on my screen here, we have a bunch of $2 to $4 commissions. As you guys see here, in total $164 earned, and this is only in a couple days. I haven't done any paid traffic. I actually bought my first solo ad for the system. I'll go over that here at the end of the video, but this is just from free marketing methods. Now, how am I getting this traffic? Well, I'm just leveraging my Facebook profile. Every single day I add marketers. I have lots of marketers on my Facebook. If you guys join our team through the link below, I'll actually teach you my Facebook formula inside of our free Facebook group. But one of these posts that I did, let me just scroll down and show you. So this is a post that I did to generate me some leads. Now, as you guys see here, I posted it yesterday at 3:45, so about 24 hours ago, and this post is just starting to ramp up. Normally it takes 24 to 48 hours, sometimes even longer, but all I'm doing is I give a simple call to action, right? We have our free case study, and now I'm going to show you the system that you're going to get, okay? So if we just open this up, this is going to be the landing page which you're getting. It's completely done for you. If you have a ClickFunnels account, all you got to do is plug it in and copy my system. If you don't have a ClickFunnels account, I'll actually teach you how to set up a ClickFunnels account. You can get it for 14 days for free, and you can start earning with this system in the next 24 hours. So this is my capture page. It is converting very well. I was running a variation, but if we just go over here, it's converting at about 66%, which is really, really good. So I'm very happy with that landing page. And as you guys see here in the commission side of it, the page that I set up is converting very well as well. Now, what did I set up and what are you going to receive for being a part of our team? I wanted to make it super simple so that anybody, no matter what experience they have, can actually go ahead and start making money with this. Now, this is the sales page, which is completely done for you. You'll be able to copy everything and you'll be able to leverage it to make commissions with not just Yoonla, but 4 other income streams, which I'll be going over in this video. So step number 1 is a free training done from my mentor, John Michael, and he shows how he made over $30,000 with Yoonla in only, I think it was like 90 or 100 days or something like that. A very short period of time, he was able to make a lot of money with CPA. Now, the cool thing about Yoonla, if you guys seen here, we're getting paid per lead. So when somebody opts in and creates their Yoonla account for free, we're going to actually earn $2 if they're in a tier 2 country and $4 if they're in a tier 1 country. Okay, if that referral then goes ahead and upgrades to the elite membership, which you guys can see, all you got to do is click the link below. We have training which goes over everything, but you're going to earn a $30 commission as well. And there is some other commissions that can be paid out inside of the Yoonla platform. So it is very, very powerful. And the reason we're using it is so that when you go ahead, because if we look at the bottom, I'm going to show you how to get traffic. But if you go ahead and start sending traffic to this, and maybe you send 100 clicks, you pay $40 to get those 100 clicks, all you would need is 10 tier 1 country new leads, which I can guarantee you that will definitely happen, and you'll be able to recoup the money you spent on advertising. Okay, so that's why we lead with the CPA offer. Now, in step number 1, I'm going to show you guys, and I'm going to train the people that you sign up, right? Because you're going to get this exact system. I'm going to show them what ClickFunnels is. I'm going to show them how to copy our system, And now if you don't know what ClickFunnels is, all it is a landing page and sales funnel software. Now, if you want to build a business online, you need a landing page software. It is essential, and it is not something that you can, overlook, okay? So it is an essential tool that we need for our business. So why don't we get ClickFunnels to pay us every single month instead of us having to pay ClickFunnels every single month, all right? So you see what I'm doing with the system? We have our CPA front end so that we can earn those $2 to $4 per lead. And then on the back end, right, which is all done for you, it doesn't take any extra work. All you got to do is send traffic to this simple capture page, and then I'm going to do all the selling and the training and sign people up and everything for you, and you're going to earn monthly residual commissions from ClickFunnels, okay? Now, step number 2, right, as you guys see here, we have a little box to enter our email in, all right? So you will need an email autoresponder. Your email autoresponder is your bread and butter. This is going to be the list that you're going to build over time that you're going to be able to email every single day, okay? So if I log into my Aweber back office, I just want to show you, okay? I have 3,800 members that I can send an email to whenever I want. All it takes is, 10 minutes to set up an email. They're very, very simple to send out, but let me just, open this up here. But you are going to get, people clicking on your links, and every single day or multiple times per day, you can send out these emails. And as your list grows, right, you're going to be able to get even more free traffic from the people that have already requested information. So I'm going to show you how to set up your Aweber, follow-up sequence, and I'm going to even give you my 7-day email follow-up sequence. So everything's going to be literally done for you. Plus, you're also going to earn monthly residual income from Aweber. So you're going to earn from Yoonla, you're going to earn from ClickFunnels, which is our sales funnel software. You're going to earn from Aweber, which is our email marketing software. And now remember, ClickFunnels and Aweber, those are essential tools if you want to create a solid income online. Now, step number 3, I'm going to show them how to start getting traffic. I'm going to show you how to start getting traffic so that you don't have to go out there and, even build your Facebook. You could do this completely on autopilot. You could just plug into our traffic, and you could have, hundreds and thousands of clicks at your disposal to be sent to this offer to start generating you leads. Now, the cool thing about it is when you start signing people up, they're going to need traffic, and they're going to join Udemy for free, which is our traffic provider. And when they buy traffic, guess what? You're going to earn a commission, okay? So that is the power behind this done-for-you system. And with the Yoonla platform, earning those $2 to $4 per lead, plus those, $30 and $15 extra commissions, all 100% done for you, you can go out there and you can feel comfortable sending traffic to this system and ensuring that you're going to get paid even if nobody buys anything. They could just go through, they could just watch this main video and create a free account and then never do anything. You're still going to get paid. All right, so that's the power behind this system. Yoonla is a great platform. That's why I lead off with it, because it pays out. As you guys seen, my mentor made over $30,000. I recently just got started, and I'm already earning, commissions every single day. Look at these, all on the 4th, all on the 6th, right? So I'm earning commissions every single day from generating leads. Now, this is very powerful. So what I want you guys to do is I want you to click the link in the description below, set up your free done-for-you system, and then join our private Facebook group, which you can do so at the top of this page. And then I want you to shoot me a message once you've done that, because I've got a bonus training of how I'm generating free leads on Facebook. Now, free leads that pay me $2 to $4 per sign up, all right? So click the button below, create your free account, and I'll see you guys inside of the Six Figure Marketers Club.